What's up guys, hope you are doing well there and welcome to the channel Seek Show. Today I will continue my QGIS tutorial playlist with another video. So this is the second part of my last video. Still, if you haven't watched my first video on this one, please click the card on the top right corner on your video screen. So okay, let's get started, but before that please click the red subscribe button if you are interested in learning QGIS, GIS and remote sensing and other educational stuff, and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications from this channel. I hope you have a good understanding on the basic interface of this Arcgis software. And in my last videos I have discussed and show you the basic things about this browser panel and some other stuff, including how to set this favorite folder and how to navigate for your data. So today I will play with some shape files. I'm going to add my shape file called buildings. This is asking about the coordinate system. For now I will click OK. The map will appear when you drag and drop the shape files into this area. As you can see in the bottom right corner, it says the shape file located in UTM zone 10 meters 26 9 10. Right, this is the default coordinate system. When you first add your shapefile into this area, it will automatically set the default coordinate system. Now this particular shapefile located in this UTM zone. So I will add another shapefile here, parcels. Right, as you can see, it is perfectly matching with the coordinate system. I will move my buildings into the top of the parcels. Now it is very much clear. I will change my color, double click the parcels, and I want to set my color somewhat ash. Click OK, apply and OK. You can zoom in and zoom out using your wheel on your mouse, or if you want to use these zoom in tools and zoom out tools, I will show you. Zoom in and zoom out. You can draw a square on this interested zooming area. Or if you want to get the full zoom in or zoom out view, click this one. And there are some other tools in this toolbar. I will explain those things in later tutorials. For today, I will play with this shapefile. Right. This is the pan tool. If you want to pan the map, click this one and pan here and there. For now I will zoom in to an interested area. And I want to add some air photos or raster shape files, not shape files actually, the raster files. And I will select special raster files. As you can see, there are several digital elevation models and ECW. ECW means Enhanced Compressed Wavenet. For now, I will add this 452D 452D ECW file. Right. It is located here, as you can see. Sometimes if it is not appear here, you will have to move this thing into the top of the layer. This is the layer panel. If you don't see this layer panel, please go to view and panels and layer here. If you untick this, the layer panel will disappear. Again, view, panel and layers. Sometimes when you add raster files, drone images, satellite images, sometimes any other images, it will not set to the default coordinate system. Let me check. I will go to the properties, layer properties here of this particular raster file. Now you can see it is empty, actually unknown. So you have to set it manually. I will set into this one because our default coordinate system is 26 9 10. It is in the UTM zone 10. Apply and OK. It is perfectly fitted with this shapefile, as you can see. Often you will find with air photos and raster files, that sort of things, You may have to go back in and set the coordinate system afterwards again manually. Actually, if you want to edit a polygon, what you should do, first you have to select the buildings. If you are going to edit the building shapefile, and click this toggle editing and select the features and click this one. Right, as you can see the uh, corners, little access nodes that you can use to modify this particular polygon. For in this case, I am not going to modify the shapes, and I'm going to show you the attributes. Click this one and you can see the attributes. Right, I'm going to cancel this one. You can do the same thing for your parcel shape file. You can select the parcels. You can select the parcels and go to this toggle editing and select a specific polygon. Right, for in this case I will select this one. It will automatically select this particular polygon. You can see number of modifying nodes. You can use these modifying nodes to modify or change the particular polygon. And if you are interested in seeing or modifying the attributes of this particular shapefile, you will have to use this one. Click this one. You can see the attributes of this particular parcel or shapefile. You can see the type, house number, street name. In this case, this is null. I will change it as 12 and click OK. Now when you see your informations or identify features tools, click this one and click on this particular shapefile. It says house number is 12. Right, if you want to save the changes, you have to click the toggle editing again, and it will ask, do you want to save the changes to this layer parcels? In this case, I will discharge. If you want, you can save it. First, you have to select the interested shape file that is going to be updated, and then click this toggle editing. Then you will have to select this add polygon feature, click and start drawing. Start with left click like this and end up with right click. After right clicking, this window will appear. You will have to add your attributes to this particular polygon, the new polygon you just added. The type will set it as ABC, and flows I will set 1 and height 12 and 1 2. Likewise, you can add the attribute features and click OK. Now this is the newly added polygon into this building shapefile. If you want to save it, again you have to select the toggle editing and save. In this case, I don't want to save. I will cancel it. If you want to delete this particular polygon, click this one and select the interested polygon and hit delete button in your keyboard or delete the selected and save it here. In this way, you can easily edit, create or delete features. This could be any kind of data. It could be SQL Server or Oracle. In this case, we used shapefiles to edit. Let's look at some other things we can do. Now, I can actually insert a 3D map view. You can go to View and New 3D Map View. That takes our current map and renders it in a 3D window. Now, initially it loads in a 2 dimensions. So it will just put our aerial photos and our parcels and building shapefile in a 2-dimensional map. But if I use my wheel mouse again, I can actually press and hold and roll around and zoom in and zoom out. It will give an 3-dimensional view. Now if I had a 3-dimensional data to add, such as 3D parcels and so on, or 3D extruded buildings, I can add that to this map. Or even if I have digital elevation models, I can contour it to the 3D map. So these are the powerful things that we can do using this QGIS software. Finally, if we wanted to create a brand new and printable map, or maybe put this out into a PDF, what you should do, go to this project and new print layout, give it a name. I will save it as ABC and click OK. Print layout window. You can do several things using this window. If you want to add a map, click add item and add map. You have to add your map. And if you want to add your scale bar, if you want to add a north arrow, likewise you can do many things using this window. I have planned to create separate tutorials on designing a map using this map layout window. In the coming tutorials, I will create a video for this one. So you have learned all about the key components of QGIS and what tools you have at your disposal to create data, maps and share your information. So that's the end of the tutorial today. I will meet you with my next tutorial on next day. It will be about the type of vector data in QGIS. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new from this video. So hit a subscribe for me and click the bell icon to get the latest video updates from this channel.